my fresh with on, know how I pop out. Bullshit not important, but I'ma hop out. Don't play with someone come on through my heart, I think it's slow.
Y'all probably saying, man, you a bully. But he used to always do that when I'm trying to pass him in when I had my BRZ. See how he pressed the gas when I was about to pass? He used to always do that when I had my BRZ. So, you know, well, gotta show him something. Let's see if he's gonna take off. Was that him? What the hell was that? Let me see if I can start some chaos. I need a video, you know what I'm saying? Nah, he's not gonna. He's not gonna. God damn it. Come on, Scatpacks. There we go, Scatpacks. There we go, Scatpacks. Control. Come on, Scatpacks. Where's the Scat? Let's wait on him. Let's wait on him. Let's wait on him. Come through. Scatpacks. Want it? Hit it. Hit it. All right, Scat. I'll see you next time. We exited. Scatpacks man said too many cars, boy. All right, ladies and gents, that was just a little short video for you guys right there, right? Hope you guys, you know, will enjoy it. It's a little Scatpacks on Hellcat crime. I need a video, and I'm basically already at work, and I need a video for today. So I saw a Scat. I took out the camera. I'm like, let's egg him on a little bit. Yeah, LT61. Okay. Corvette. Is that how the song goes? But it's back in job. I hope you guys have been enjoying December, man. We've been trying to post every single day. It's past December, Vlogmas, whatever, but I'm still trying to post every single day. So it's a short video. If you watch it, you watched it. Drop a like, comment something. Comment something that I can film for you guys tomorrow, because I don't have no more videos. So comment something that you guys want to see that I can do tomorrow. And don't tell me to burn out my damn tires, okay? Something other than that. Let's see if we can egg on this Corvette. I don't think we can. Can't go over this too fast. Y'all hear that supercharger, man? Whining like crazy. He's been loving this cool weather. Alright guys, that is it for this one. We are actually done this time. Alright. Bye-byes.